I'm Chandon. I'm the energy engineer at LMS. I also oversee intelligent services, and right now we are in a controls room of one of the buildings we service, and one of the intelligent services devices we have that we're going to demonstrate for you today. What we're highlighting here today is this little intelligent box we have. What it does is it connects to the HVAC control system. So now I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a demonstration of how this box helps building owners, how it helps our technicians, and what I use it for on a daily basis. What we're looking at right here is a list of every single VAV in this building. We are ranking it by how it's performing on airflow and space temperature, and we're scoring every device so we can see that 20% of the devices in this specific building are not doing as well. Another thing we're looking at on this screen is we're actually scoring the device by the day of week itself. So what we're looking at are these little black dots right here are what the score is for the device on the day of the week. This helps us see scheduling issues. So if your building isn't working on the weekends, it's not working Monday through Friday, this really helps us identify when this device is performing at its worst. And what's special about this device is that we don't need to be on the client's internet. We can add our own internet cell router for safety, to keep us off of your network if there's any IT concerns. Really what this comes down to, the benefit to the client is we know the problems in your building before you do. Our technicians come to the building prepared, knowing what areas they need to address, not show up to the building wasting time looking for problems. We know where the problems are before our technicians even arrive.